In today's video, I'm going to share some powerful information about garlic and heart health. I believe this is something everyone should know because garlic is extremely powerful, especially when it comes to protecting your heart. Today, I'll also show you how to make a very simple and affordable garlic drink at home. Some studies I've reviewed show that when people with high blood pressure use this garlic drink, the effect was comparable to certain blood pressure lowering medications. And honestly, that's just one of garlic's many benefits. Garlic is antiviral. Most coughs and colds are caused by viruses. If you feel early symptoms of getting sick, eating garlic may help your body fight the infection. Antifungal. If someone has a fungal infection, such as candida, which can sometimes cause a white coating on the tongue, garlic can help because it has strong antifungal properties. After taking antibiotics, fungal infections are more common because antibiotics kill both good and bad bacteria, allowing fungus to grow. Antibacterial. Garlic acts like a natural antibiotic. It can help fight harmful bacteria, including H. pylori, which is linked to stomach ulcers. It may also help against parasites and worms. Now let's talk about something very important. Insulin and metabolic health. High insulin levels can lead to problems like fatty liver, type 2 diabetes. Obesity. Garlic is powerful enough to help improve insulin sensitivity, meaning it helps your cells respond better to insulin. When insulin resistance improves, blood sugar levels normalize and many metabolic issues begin to improve as well. Some research also suggests garlic has strong anti-inflammatory properties which can help with arthritis, bursitis, tendinitis. By reducing inflammation, garlic may help manage these conditions naturally. Now let's focus on the heart. Multiple clinical trials, more than 40 studies, support the idea that garlic is beneficial for cardiovascular health. One study even suggested that garlic may reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke significantly. How does it work? Our body produces a compound called thromboxane, which promotes blood clotting. Medications like aspirin work by blocking thromboxane production. Interestingly, garlic contains natural phytochemicals that also help inhibit thromboxane. Olive oil has similar properties. That means garlic may help reduce blood clot formation, improve blood flow, prevent blood vessel stiffness, support normal blood pressure, balance cholesterol levels. Garlic also helps regulate bile production, which supports the body in breaking down and eliminating excess cholesterol. Because it's antimicrobial, garlic may also help reduce the risk of infections that can affect the heart, such as infective endocarditis. To summarize, garlic supports healthy blood flow, helps prevent clot formation, supports cholesterol balance, improves insulin sensitivity, fights viruses, bacteria, and fungi, reduces inflammation. Personally, I eat garlic regularly because of these benefits. Now let me show you how to make the simple garlic water at home. How to make garlic water. Take 1 clove of garlic and crush it. Add it to about 350 milliliters, 1.5 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Let it sit for 15 minutes after crushing the garlic. This allows the active compounds to develop and release into the water. Drink it after 15 minutes. You can use this drink 3 to 4 times per week. You can also add garlic to your meals or chew a clove raw if you tolerate it well. Garlic is truly one of the most powerful natural supplements available. I hope this information was helpful for you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.